Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Learn with Pahari. Today we are learning alphabet A to Z alphabet. This is our colors. Brown color, red color, pink color, blue color, sky blue color, orange color, black color, dark green color, yellow color, pink color. Dark green color. A for apple. Sky blue color. B for ball. Blue color. C for cat. Red color. D for dog. Black color. E for elephant. Baby pink color. F for fish. Brown color. G for grapes. Blue color. H for horse. Yellow color. I for ice cream. Orange color. J for joker. Pink color. K for kite. Red color. L for lemon. Blue color. M for monkey. Orange color. N for nest. Yellow color. O for orange. Black color. P for parrot. Baby pink color. Q for queen. Sky blue color. R for rabbit. Brown color. S for snake. Dark green color. T for tree. Purple color. U for umbrella. Pink color. V for van. Orange color. W for watch. Brown color. X for X-ray. Dark green color. Y for yak. Black color. Z for zebra.